Hi, I'm Kate Roberts from Easy Entertaining, and today we're going to make roast yucca French fries. Yucca is one of those vegetables that a lot of people don't utilize. They might overpass it in the supermarket, probably because it looks a little funny and it's really hard. Sometimes people think it's hard to use, but yucca French fries are the best. So, most important thing that we're going to learn today is peeling the yucca. So, we'll start by just using a vegetable peeler, and you want to peel away from you. Always peel away from you. Just kind of go down. There's no recipe where leaving the skin on the yucca will work, so just make sure no matter what variation you're going to do of these fries that all of the skin comes off. Once you get your yucca peeled, you want to go ahead and get ready to slice it into French fries. And be prepared because yucca is pretty firm in the center, so it's not as easy to cut as a potato, so you want to make sure your knife is really sharp. If you don't have a super sharp knife at home, you can always use a serrated edge that'll help you cut through quicker. So I like to go from top to bottom when I'm cutting French fries. So I like to hold it and just make one cut straight down to half it. I'm going to quarter them. And then this is a little too big for a French fry, so what I'll do is I'll actually slice these right in half. So I've got some extra virgin olive oil here, and you want to put a little more than you might be apt to use because we're essentially frying in the oven. So to get that crispy nature, you need to make sure that you have a good coat of oil. Just give it a gentle toss there. And then I'm going to put it on my pan, my baking pan. And the most interesting part here, not that interesting, salt and pepper. A healthy dose here because you do have some baking off. This is where you can kind of mix it up a little bit. So maybe cinnamon and cayenne for that sweet heat, maybe a little garlic or seasoned salt, fresh herbs, anything like that. That's where you're going to give it the most flavor. This is going to go into your oven at 435 for about 40 minutes. And here are your crispy yucca fries, golden brown on the outside and ready for dipping. Want to learn more? Check us out online, Easy Entertaining RI.